Hey, hi, very good afternoon. Today I will start. Today I will create new product. Sorry, new projects. This project name is a Spring Boot microservices application using core Java. Okay, so we will start without delay. So first, click the file, new button, and projects, and simply here click here the which project you want to select just the Spring Started project, and click here and press next here. Okay. So wait a minute. So this is our project name. So our project name is a write down simply web calculator 2. So our project name is a web calculator 2. And click here next button and make it sure this is a Maven project. Okay. And jar package name is jar and version is a Java 17 and language is a Java. Okay. Then simply next here and select your server. So we want to create a web server application. So therefore select the Spring Web and let's 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 finish here. Okay. So take a so time your project will be completed. See this. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. Okay. So just click here, check out here where is our boot projects. So my boot project name is a web calculator. See here. Okay. So simply click here and there are a lot of files, file src main and file src accurate. Don't see another file, just click this main file and this is our package com.example.demo.ashok and click here right and new and click the class. Okay, so write down the class name here and always you should write our class name is the first letter should be capital, otherwise you can use to camel case. Okay, so our first class name is web web calculator or otherwise calc, calc. Okay, web calc and let's here press finish button. So this is our projects and we can create a new project. Simply we can create a calculator. uh, Otherwise, maybe you have done the project, Java program in the last years. Okay, so just I can create the Java project. So right here, for example, int. For example, I will write down here int. Otherwise, write down method name. Method name is add. Wait a minute. I will explain to you. Okay. Hmm. So write down here. Method name is int add and write down the two arguments like int a and int b. Okay, so you know that this syntax. Okay, then similarly right here return, return, return what should I return? A plus b, a plus b. Is it clear? Okay, like similarly I will create 10 time, otherwise you can create addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so I can I will save the time. So therefore I have right here. So our application runs on a web server. Therefore no need to in this method, main method. Okay. So our application runs on a server. Therefore I have right here one notation at the rate res means REST controller. This is the API. See this. This is a package. Okay. At the rate REST controller. And then next write down here at at the rate get mapping for the mapping purpose. So this is mapping and write down here our mapping, our address means our URL name, add and write down the type. A, A, and write down another point B, right? A and B. And similarly, I write down here, post mapping, otherwise, okay? Otherwise, path variable. Write down here at the rate path variable. See, this is annotation. Path variable is double quotation A, and write down here path variable B at the rate path variable B. Okay, path variable B. It's clear. Maybe this is clear. Okay, this path variable indicate to integer B, and this path variable indicate to integer E. So those are path variable. So similarly, I just save a time and copy and paste here. Okay, see this. This is the addition. This is the subtraction. Okay, this is a multiplication. Okay, and this is a division. Div. Okay, it's clear. And then change your operator. For example, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b is the addition, a minus b is a subtraction, and a minus c is a multiply c is a division. Okay, and divided by b is a division. Okay, so let's our application is ready almost. So press Control here, save the all projects files, and start your Spring server. Okay, boot dashboard. So see this green button is a boot server. Press here and select your application name. So my application name is webcam 2 webcam. Just select and start the browser. Click here. Browser have start. See this. This is browser have started. Okay. Then go to our browser and click and simply press here http localhost at the rate http localhost 808 add. So if I want to perform the add operation, press here add, and so add is our URL. Okay, so add, if I want to addition of 5 into 5, so what is your answer? And just hit it. Okay, no problem. 8080 and hit it. Wait a minute, some issues are there. Localhost, http localhost 8080. So let's check it. Our code is here. This is our code, and we have to code run on a server. This is the by default server localhost 8080. Then I open the server. Similarly, see here. Once again, I will show you localhost. Type here localhost http 8080 and write your URL name. My URL name is add means addition. I want to perform the addition, and write down this first value. Type here first value is 100 and second value is 100, and hit here. Your addition is 20. If I want to perform the subtraction operation, then for example, I want to perform the multiple operation, multiplication, MEVL. and hit it again. See this. So this is the simply created the project using the Spring Boot and microservices. These those are annotation. This is annotation name is the REST control. REST controller get mapping using for the mapping the path variable and annotations. Okay, so those are three different types of packages. Sorry, annotations. See here, and Spring provide the multiple security. Spring provide the very security. Okay, and this is the our project is started. This is the sign, and when you click this button, your project will be closed. Okay, and your server will be shut down. See here, Tomcat server is shut down. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.